This is the road coming in toward my house. Look at all the water running off down the road. Debris all in the road and shit.
Like I say, y'all look at that. That right there is probably about, what would you say, about maybe 2 feet?
Normally, about 30 foot now, 60.
Yeah.
About 60 foot in some places.
Yeah. There is water and debris from pillars
Everywhere.
Y'all look at that.
The fella that lives right there got some chickens.
Yeah.
Them somebody's getting baptized today.
Yeah, chicken get baptized right now.
That's how far the water's come up. Them tree limbs is normally about 8 foot out of the water.
Not today.
No, sir.
Look at that.
It's coming down in banks.
Yeah. Hold on just a minute. Y'all look at here.
This right here. Coming, I know the lady that lives in that house right there. Look at the water coming across. Coming down that hill.
Yep. It's running all the way down there.
It's running all up in this man's shop.